Check out this 2011 Infiniti G37. G37 Journey, 2D Coupe, 3.7L V6 DOHC24V, 7-speed automatic with manual shift, and RWD. GPS nav. Infiniti Fever. If you are looking for a one-owner car, try this handsome 2011 Infiniti G37 and rest assured knowing that the previous owner took great care of it. Consumer Guide Premium Midsize Car Best Buy. This Infiniti G37 has a great cockpit layout, with all the controls easy to find and right where you need them. Experience Toyota Vallejo. Contact the dealership today at 800-660-5660.